Well, I've searched the web, YouTube, and I've been trying to find out how to fix my 2007 Cadillac Escalade mirror, the folding mirror, how to get to that motor where that plastic gear is broken off of. So I got to the mirror motor without breaking anything. Everyone else on YouTube I've seen has broken something and it's all screwed up, scratched and all that. All my parts are here. Here's the housing. It goes over the motor. Here is the mirror mount. Here's the case. Nothing wrong with it, not scratched, not one scratch. And over here is the mounting for the moving mirror. Here's the new motor. Here's the case, not a scratch on it. Here's the trim piece, not a scratch on it. So we're going to now try to put it all back together. So we're going to do this in reverse, so you're going to see it being put back together versus being taken apart. So here we go. Got the motor off. I cleaned up the shelf there where the motor is going to sit on. And we got to finagle these wires up through the hole in there. The housing and the motor. See, the wires go right up through this hole in the motor casing. There's the brand new motor, 4 bolts, and we're next to being ready to put the mirror housing on over the housing is on over the motor. It just slides right over. The wires come right up through the hole there. Now there's a chance to take and replace 3 pins that go through the motor. Housing here goes through the motor, and they just slide right in, and then tap them in. There's one there, and one there. 3 of them. And we're going to do that now, and then we'll go to the next step. And now I put the case. It just clips right on. Just clips on. Slides into these 2 little pockets right here. It clips on right here and then clips on a couple places underneath. Now I've gone ahead and plugged in the wire harness on the back. It only goes in one way. These two are for the heated part of the mirror. One's for the turn signal here. We'll route that after a while. And right now I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4 places to mount this motor here. And we'll do that right now. Okay, that piece is in. All 4 screws are in. Now we're going to put the actual mirror back on. It should just snap right back on after we plug in the heated part of the mirror and the turn signals. There we go. Now, 2 wires for the heated part, which on mine and most everyone that got the recall, they disconnected that because of fire. And the other part for the part that you're using there. And that's real technical. So now I'm going to snap the mirror back on to the mount, and we'll go on to the next step. Okay, the mirror's back in. Moves. Looking good. Nothing's falling out. That's a good sign. Now we're going to put the cases back on, and bingo bango, we're done. go. Snap it on. Look at those scratches. Now we're talking. All right, top piece, then we'll be finished. We're gonna test it. Okay, let's test this out. Actually, I know what's on. Let's test this out. Oh my gosh, no ugly noise. I'm loving it. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video.